Script: How to improve spoken English. Step by step, using simple sentences. Hello everyone, welcome to Maruf Smart English. Today I will talk about how you can improve your spoken English step by using simple sentences. Many people think English is very difficult, but the truth is, English is not difficult. You just need the right method and daily practice. Let's start step by step. Step 1. Start with very simple sentences. Do not try to speak long or complicated sentences. Start with short and easy sentences. For example, I wake up early, I eat rice, I go to school, I work on my computer. These are simple sentences, but they are powerful. Practice 10 simple sentences every day. Say them loudly, repeat them again and again. Step 2. Speak about your daily routine. Your daily life is your best topic. In the morning, say, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I drink tea. I go to work. In the evening, say, I come back home. I watch YouTube. I practice English. I go to bed. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn. Step 3. Think in English. This is very important. Do not think in your native language and then translate. Try to think directly in English. For example, when you see water, say in your mind, this is water. I am drinking water. The water is cold. When you see a fan, say, the fan is moving. It is very hot today. Slowly, your brain will become faster in English. Step 4. Practice speaking every day. Practice is the key to success. Speak for 5 minutes every day. Stand in front of a mirror. Talk to yourself. You can say, today I feel happy. Today I am busy. I want to improve my English. I will not give up. Record your voice on your phone. Listen to it. Find your mistakes. Improve step by step. Step 5. Learn useful daily expressions. Learn small daily expressions like, how are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am working. Nice to meet you. See you later. Use them in real life. Use them with your friends. Use them in comments. Use them everywhere. Remember, speaking English is a skill, and every skill needs practice. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Do not wait for confidence. Start today. Speak simple. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. One day, you will speak fluently. One day, you will feel confident. Believe in yourself. This is Maruf from Maruf Smart English. Practice daily. Stay confident. And keep learning. Thank you for listening. See you in the next audio lesson.